Hi guys, I am here at Salmis today and today's video is going to be something different क्योंकि मुझे जो है वो कुछ अपनी घर की जो है वो कुछ रेनोवेशन करनी थी, you know, I needed to buy some furniture and मुझे जो है वो कुछ bed linen लेना था. So I found out about this fantastic store that has been around for a while, लेकिन उन्होंने जो है वो अभी कुछ ज़बरदस्त किस्म की चीज़ें introduce की हैं, some fantastic bed linens. So this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm doing a store raid at Salmis. So let's check out the bed linen. और यहाँ पे जो है वो I can see some amazing stuff right here. Oh my God, this stuff is so beautiful. It's embroidered and it looks like a beautiful bridal set. Amazing pillows, my God, it's so gorgeous. Okay. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good,
I'm so glad you
good.
came in today.
Thank you, Mahin. And Mahin is here at the store. और Mahin जो है मुझे बताएंगी कि tell me more about this. This is so gorgeous.
Oh, thank you. I'm so glad you like it. We are just launching this line, Jasmine Home Linens.
Okay.
We're actually having a so we're displaying at Salmis. They're our first retail partner. You know, it was the right decision for us because Salmis has been around forever.
Yes.
They do beautiful beds. I have my bed from Salmis also. So it just turned out to be the perfect synergy.
Yeah.
So you like this bed? Let me tell you.
Oh, it's beautiful. You know, इतना इसके ऊपर खूबसूरत embroidery हुई भी है. And actually, you know, इस किस्म की खूबसूरत किस्म की, like, you know, it's not over the top. It's not cheap. And it's so beautiful, it's gorgeous, you know. What is this? What is the material? Kya hai
So
ye?
this is a jacquard, so it's not actually embroidery, this is woven like this. So iski weaving ki wajah se ye design hai.
Okay.
And that was actually our design philosophy. We wanted to simplify pared back because you know, aajkal ki logo ko, you know, they want simpler things, they want
simplistic,
linens,
modern.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, you know, you want linens that you'll see in your nice hotels and all of that. So that's why all of our sheets are white and with like a little bit of an embellishment on all of the hems.
Beautiful.
And on the pillowcases. A flat sheet that's embroidered.
And ye size kya hai iska?
So this is for a king size bed. Most of the beds in Pakistan, especially for bridals,
और अभी सीजन भी ऐसा है कि, you know, अब अपकमिंग सीजन में जितनी भी brides जो हैं, जो उनको bridal sets बनाने हैं, you can easily come here. I mean, I'm definitely buying this for my bedroom because I really needed to upgrade my own, you know, bed linen set. So definitely I am getting this one because I love the combination of the grays. Let's move on to the next one.
So the design philosophy primarily for our collection, and this is our first collection, was that the modern bride might want something more sophisticated for her bed, you know.
So now this is also jacquard.
Yeah, so this is also a jacquard. You know, you want to have these things forever. आप एक frilly, lacy bed लोगे, फिर आप वो, I mean, it's not comfortable. आप उसको बाहर कहाँ use करोगे? So you want something that you can use forever because linens get better with age. They would understand the value of buying nice linens.
Yes, yes.
You know, the care is very easy. It's a cotton sheet. You know, and it's processed to last you a long time and just get better and better with age.
Yes.
So it's an investment really.
Yes.
You know, you're not gonna throw away these
things. Is
things.
this like a heavy investment?
It's not that heavy. I think our price point is very fair. For, like, you know, a competing product anywhere outside of Pakistan would cost you, if not twice as much, almost 3 times as much. Because, but हम यहीं बना रहे हैं or for the Pakistani market. So then, you know, we managed to keep the prices under control. But
I find something really nice over there. Let's move on to that one. यहाँ इस पे मुझे जो है ये nazar aa raha hai that, you know, this is kind of like the
so this is our more bridal
look.
So, you know, someone wants a more,
this is like more shiny kind of material. It's looking so beautiful and it's looking so grand. This bed looks a bit small, nahi? I think this is a queen size.
This is a queen size bed, but like I mentioned, we can fit our sheets onto a queen size bed because of the elastic nature of the fitted sheet.
And this, guys, is the Jasmine home linen collection, which is here available right now at Salmis, जो कि कराची में जो है खटा मार्केट में ये स्टोर है. और आज मैं यहाँ पे आई थी because मुझे जो था वो बेड शीट्स लेनी थी, and I had heard about this new collection that has come, and I really wanted to check out the bed sheets, and I'm absolutely loving it because honestly, truthfully, you don't find such beautiful self-embroidered kind of fabric anywhere, and that too in such beautiful sober colors. And I think jitna bhi aap simple rakhte hain, I think it looks absolutely grand and looks so beautiful. So I am just loving this. What about the fact that कोई चीज गिर जाए, stain लग जाए तो आसानी से
yeah, आपका cotton है at the end of the day, तो it's easy to treat. Just आप stain treat करो और फिर wash में डाल दो, you should be fine.
Should be good to go.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's check out some other stuff here at Salmis. I think I'm gonna go upstairs and have a look.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. Oh my God, this is what fun.
Hi, Nadia.
Hi, how are you? Madiha, lovely to meet you. So can you help me?
Sure.
I'm like looking for, oh my God, this is so beautiful. I want to look at some furniture pieces as well. I'm loving this chair.
This is a very comfortable piece. I'd love you to try it. Put your feet on.
Wow.
And then recline. And what it does, it kind of
Recline?
reads your movement, and then it.
Oh, this is nice.
It's in a Tutsi Italia chair. So this particular piece is their highlight element. It's like out of the catalog piece. So it's a little.
It's a little pricey.
The price point's a little higher,
Okay.
but you can say it's that one of a collection. So
Yeah, and it's worth it. Okay, this piece I am just loving. Look at Tell me about this.
Sectional in fabric is one of the most fun pieces that they have, because if you see the details, it's grounded to the floor, and yet it's got the deep seats,
Yes,
so you can really put your feet up, and it's divided in pieces. So if you want the chaise or poop, can move up and come on this side,
So like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
and it can accommodate 8 or more.
Yeah, definitely.
That's the way it works.
So like perfect lounge seating.
Yeah.
And this is designed at Salmis.
So this again is a Natuzzi Italia piece,
Yeah.
because most of the things that you see on this floor.
So should we go check out some Salmis stuff?
Sure, we'd love
Yeah?
to show you.
Come, let's go. So can you tell me that what all has been designed at Salmis?
Sure. So all that you see here, this bedroom set,
Okay.
the sofas have all been designed at Salmis, manufactured in our factory with a lot of love.
Tell me more about this sofa. I'm just loving the construction of this.
Yes,
It's so
we-
beautiful.
Very particular about proportions. I think in furniture, the most important thing is proportion,
Yeah.
and then the quality of product that is used, which is that wood, it must be finely seasoned. The fabric, so we try to use the finest fabric, whether it's imported or sourced otherwise. And then we enhance it with cushions, which are embroidered at our workshops,
Like this.
like this.
So this is also all embroidered at ये सब locally काम हुआ है ना?
बिल्कुल,
और ये
आप
आपको
हाथ
जो
का
है
काम
ये
देख सकते हैं
हाथ का
that
काम very you can see, क्योंकि मैं ये हाथ इसके ऊपर लगा रही हूँ and इसके अंदर कहीं वो फंस नहीं रहा है, you know?
Because it's very detailed work.
Yes, it's gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's move towards that side. So Madiha, tell me more about yourself. How are you involved with Salmis?
So I'm an architect by profession.
Okay.
And I think that's worked beautifully because my parents' business has been furniture and design, and I've literally grown up or been born into this.
Yeah.
And whenever we've traveled to trade fairs, it's just that I see design everywhere. And it's worked really well because now I feel that I understand it in a very different way than I would have had.
So like architecture has helped you in
So many
designing,
things,
you know,
yes.
like the pieces.
No, yes, that is very, in a very literal way, but just spatial understanding and understanding proportions, in seeing details, in a lot of ways which are almost intangible.
Yeah.
That you.
So tell me about Salmis itself.
Salmis was started by my father more than 4 decades ago.
Wow.
And it was again his passion to create that perfect piece. Even till now, he'll sit on every piece, see how it feels, how is the cushioning, the woodwork. You know, he'll put his hand over each element, and it's grown.
Yeah. To now become this beautiful lifestyle, you know, like store. It's like just a all-in-one lifestyle experience.
We try to cater to all aspects. Your bedroom space, your dining areas, living space, and we've introduced rugs. We do curtains, customized cushions, and then we've gone into artwork as well, because that's something that we
Yes, I can see a lot of beautiful art here. Who's you know, like doing the is it somebody who's special or just pieces picked
No,
up?
they're curated from all over the world. I'll have you introduce you to the person who's doing it.
Yes,
and then you
yes,
can have
of course. I want to know more about the art.
Definitely.
You are Zoya.
I'm Zoya, yes,
Okay.
I'm the art curator.
Oh, wonderful.
And
I
I
know, I
provide
can
all the paintings out here
Excellent.
in Salmis and in different other places in Karachi.
I can see this beautiful artwork here.
I'm so glad you like this. This is a circle, and my company's name is Eternal Art Archive.
Okay.
And yes, the circle actually represents eternity.
Yeah.
And I love this piece actually.
So if you've curated it, you know, that means that it's not exactly you who's drawn it, right?
No,
like,
no, I'm actually not the painter out here. I curate these pieces. I travel to different parts of the world.
Okay. So ये
And
Pakistani artist का नहीं है?
No.
Okay.
A lot of work I have is from Pakistani artists. I promote up and coming artists from Pakistan also, new ones from the Indus Valley, from the NCA Lahore. But this one is actually from an artist in Sri Lanka. This is again one of my favorites. I love the colors, how the golds and the yellows actually bring out the blue.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
तो ये paintings जो हैं ये अगर you know बाहर के artist की हैं या local artist की हैं, so you know बहुत महंगी हैं.
No,
कि-
actually I specialize in, and I have to say, affordable art.
Okay.
Because if you've got money, you can go literally anywhere in the world, buy masters, go pick up pieces from auction in Sotheby's, Christie's. But this is what I like to call affordable art.
Yeah.
Everything of ours is well under ₹1,00,000.
So you are more like the consultant on the art,
Yes,
you know,
exactly.
over here.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So thank you. It was wonderful meeting you.
Great,
Thank
great.
you.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay.
So guys, today I was here at Salmis और आप लोगों ने देखा कि मैंने आज जो स्टोर रेट किया है जिसके अंदर मुझे जो है वो कुछ बेड लिनन चाहिए थी. Then I went and checked out, you know, the furniture and I checked out the paintings and Salmis जो है वो it is an absolutely beautiful lifestyle store. It is actually, for me, it has been a lifestyle experience, you know, just coming here and seeing all of this beautiful stuff. And आप लोग भी जो है वो ज़रूर आइए. I have definitely bought my bed linen set right from here. So you also come and check out this store and come and check out Salmis. The shop address is given below, and you know what you have to do, that you have to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and I shall catch you next time at you know, maybe some other store, or maybe with some makeup tutorial, or maybe at my salon, or God knows where. So see you soon. Bye.